Micro Bus. It is Micro Bus, what is today? Thursday? Yeah, it's Micro Bus Thursday. And we've got our mechanic here, Austin, and he's been putting some time in on this Micro Bus. And Ben has told us he wants to make it a daily driver. And Austin's been making Ben's dream come true right there. Austin, it's been a while since they've seen the Micro Bus on camera.
Yep.
What all's been going on with it? I mean, you could easily see the gold rims, but I know you've put a lot more work than the gold rims.
We got the gold wheels painted. Butch painted them up for us real nice. We've got the brand new tires on it. We got the inner fenders all painted up, undercoated, stop that rust.
Yeah.
And we got a brand new radio. You can open the door if you need to.
So we can be cruising, jamming, and having a good time in the Micro Bus is what I'm
Yes,
hearing.
Bluetooth radio.
Bluetooth radio.
Yep.
On a 92?
Yep.
That's nice. And not only just aesthetics, you've been working on the engine and
we tuned the carburetor, and we got brand new radiator hoses on it, front and back. They was all leaking, so we just replaced every one of them. And it ain't leaking no more. It's good and dry.
Nice and dry.
So, but yeah, now we're about to put a distributor on it. We got all new parts for the inside of it. It was all corroded and nasty, and get her back running again.
So Austin, what you're saying is we've got the engine in the back and the radiator in the front. So there's probably a lot of hoses connecting all that.
There was, and they come with the new orange radiator hose, so you can see them really well. Get in there and get that. But there's probably about 10 hoses altogether.
10 hoses altogether,
Yeah.
Pretty tight squeezes, trying to
between
get
the
in
front and the
there.
back. Yeah. It was.
Sounds like a
wasn't too
pretty
bad.
good job, but.
Yep. It was just time consuming, but we got it. Everything's a tight fit on this thing. So try not to laugh at me if I'm looking like a Z. Bolt it in, and then we'll set the timing on it. Right now I'm bolting on the distributor cap, and it's a pretty good little spot.
So you lowered it down so you can get it from the other side?
Yeah, it's pretty hard to get to.
Gotcha.
We got the distributor on, caps on. It should be in time. I should be pretty close. I remember where it was before, the rotor button. So now plug it up and crank it over. And I don't guarantee it to start. It might need to be primed and everything. But let's see. Oh! Let it prime up. She's hitting.
Yeah, she's hitting. She's running, but she ain't happy. She's running now.
I'm so excited because before it was done, it wouldn't do. It would just crank over and over. So she's trying.
So what do you think? She's got maybe some timing or?
Timing and fuel bowl adjust. Yeah.
Nice.
Man, I'm so excited.
Dude, that's awesome.
And we put a coil on it. We put a ignition module on it. Like, man, so the problem was a little deeper.
Yeah,
It's okay.
yeah.
Sometimes you got to do that. You got to get down in there. I think where we cranked it over a bunch, it had a lot of fuel in there.
Yeah.
So we'll get that fuel, clear it out. But I'm excited. I'm gonna adjust a little bit here and get him running good.
Woo! She sounds like an angry neighbor knocking on your door.
Looks like we're going to have to turn the distributor.
Turn the distributor a little bit.
Timing's too low.
Maybe that's what it's done for. How do you clock that distributor? Is it just like a...
So what I gotta do is loosen the bolts up. It takes 2 bolts that mounted on there.
Yeah.
And you got to loosen them where you can move that, where you can pull that distributor around the cap and everything. We're gonna replace a vacuum line that I could not get to before, and now I can because I replaced everything down here. And it's a vacuum line going to the distributor. And basically what it does is retards the time when you go up a hill or something. Pulls the timing up so it has more power pretty much. Up hills and stuff. Try that right there. All right. We're going down right there. Let's see what that does. All right, try that. We'll put a charger on it.
Let's say a battery maybe.
Okay, there's our battery. All right, go ahead.
All right.
One more time. Alright. Man, them plugs must be fouled. I'm thinking the plugs where we cranked it over before and it wasn't firing, they got a lot of gas on them. So now we're gonna have to probably pull them out and clean them and get all that old gas out of there.
Tell me what you just pulled out here.
Fouled plug, completely fouled from all that gas. Where it wasn't firing before. You know, it's trying to run, it's trying to throw the gas to it. And then also it's been sitting for what, 2 weeks? The middle one's still a little drenched, but I think it's gonna be okay. Worst thing's worse, gonna need some plugs. Part of a carbureted vehicle, I guess. No fuel injection though, you can't beat them. Try to get this timing right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Woo! He's purring now.
Let's open that door and let her clear out.
Yeah. He's running. Happy with where you're at?
Yeah, it's very strong. This thing was weak as a kitten ever since he had it.
Yeah.
Now she got some power now.
She's ready to run, ain't she?
Yeah. Man, I'm excited about that. Okay, I'm gonna set the timer real quick.
What'd you say?
I'll get you to hit it again. Hit it right there and see what it does.
All right.
Okay. I'm so excited.
Here we go.
Yep.
Sounds good.
There it is.
Gonna let it run a little bit, or
Let it run.
let it run? Put that shifter on.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, a Spoon Sports shifter, that's just to give it a little.
So that's going to be, that's probably like a 3/8. This has adapters for it. So we need to find the 3/8. Yep. That's so cool. It's got the polyurethane threaders. I love these because you can put them on, they thread themselves, they're just convenient. You ain't got to worry about tapping them or nothing. So get that name out there. There we go. All good.
There she is.
Man, I cannot believe how good that thing runs.
Let's get in this thing. Let's get her fired up. You know, surprisingly, I can fit in this thing pretty well. You check out the shifter. What more could you want? Shout out again to Matt Haas. She purrs. I mean, she's running. You guys seen it here first. Austin worked his magic. He's got this thing running like a top. I mean, it's a champ. We may have sent a smoke signal to the U.S. space station, but I mean, it's running good. Austin, what'd you think, man?
I was really excited that all the work that we did put into it,
Yeah.
you know, it fired up. I was worried about it, you know, because I'm kind of really not familiar with these Hondas, you know.
Oh, this is a whole new story. I mean, I've
Yeah.
never even seen one of these in person.
Yeah, there's a lot to learn,
on
on it, and everything's not really complicated. You just gotta do it, you know. You just gotta figure it out. And I was happy to hit that key after all the new parts.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I was a little worried there. I was like, man, did Austin cam this thing? I mean,
Man.
it sounds like someone's knocking on your door. But I mean, he cleaned it up. He's got it going.
Yeah,
It's running clean.
I was worried myself a little bit.
Stay tuned, guys. We've got some more work to it. Austin's going to do some fine tuning on it, and I think next is a good test drive. What do you think, Austin?
Good test drive would be perfect.
Good test
In the
drive.
snow, hopefully.
Yeah, maybe even some donuts in the snow. Who knows?
Yeah.